Okay, this is Singapore Airport. This is an airport. An airport, a place to transfer passengers to their planes. And they've decided just to whack this massive waterfall here. Crazy. Brother? Wow. I just can't get over how this is an airport. Like, this is an airport. This isn't a tourist attraction. Well, it is, but it's inside an airport. That's the big thing. The thing is, right, is that this is an airport. They did not have to do this. Literally, if you think about it, there is no reason whatsoever why they had to do this. This would not affect passenger numbers going to Singapore Airport, because people don't go to the airport to see a waterfall. They go to the airport so that they can fly to another country. That's the thing. But the thing is, right, is that Singapore have got this initiative to create a really nice, relaxing environment. And that is something that you don't get at London Heathrow, or London Gatwick, or Birmingham, or Manchester, or Bristol, or literally any airport in the UK, or the West, or literally any airport in the world. Like, Singapore is easily the most developed place in the world. And this is why. It's because they actually care about their people. So at 8 PM and 9 PM Monday to Thursday there's a light and music show. Then 8 PM, 9 PM and 10 PM on Friday, Saturday and Sunday there's also a light and music show. And you can see quite clearly where the water goes through. It goes through that little pipe just there, creating the world's largest indoor waterfall. Train. Unfortunately, that bridge you can see there is closed. Oh, so annoying. The bridge is closed. The attraction is indeed closed. Yay. No, it's a lift. Oh, this is quite nice. So this is the lift at Jewel at Singapore Changi Airport in Singapore. Smells like soap in here. So this is the Changi Experience Studio. Now, it's closed for me at the moment. I think it's just due to the time of morning that I'm at this airport. Oh, it closes at 8 PM. But I think it's some sort of simulator, like some flight simulator experience thing that you can do. I'm not 100% sure because it's closed, but it seems very cool. So, you know, if you're at this airport and it's daytime hours, then there's a good chance that this should be open. Have a go.